One more time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jana and today I'm going to show you my Boxycharm for the month of March, and I have upgraded my Boxycharm into a Boxyluxe. So let me just explain to you what is the Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly $21 beauty subscription. So that includes skincare and or makeup. So if you decide to upgrade for the next quarter's Boxyluxe, you're just gonna have to pay an extra $30.80 for that if you want to upgrade. So that makes this Boxyluxe worth $50 plus. So with all that in this value of the Boxyluxe, you're gonna get a lot of products already. So when you compute everything, so for all of you guys who are already subscribed to the Boxycharm subscription, I'm pretty sure you're familiar, but to those who don't have any idea how Boxycharm works, so basically you have to be a Boxycharmer. You have to be subscribed to them for at least 3 months, and then you will get the chance to wait for the Boxyluxe subscription if you choose to upgrade your next quarter's box. So it just means to say that you're getting a lot more value of what you've paid for, which is so. Let's go ahead and open the train case, which I already opened obviously. So this is a train case that was specially made for Boxycharm. So this is the Boxycharm train case. It's holographic, and I should say it's rose gold and pretty good for traveling. It's really travel friendly because it has a handle, and I hope the zipper is really good and it fits everything for this month's Boxyluxe. So let's go ahead and open the zipper again. And the value of the train case is $20. So it's in the Philippine peso, it's around 1,000 pesos. So the next item is the It Cosmetics Confidence in the Cream. I already tried this before. I finished the whole jar. I had really high hopes from this product, and I believe that it really helped me with moisturizing my skin, but I'm giving it a second chance. And the value of this moisturizer is $48, and it's almost the same as the value of what you've paid for everything in this. So next item, which is here, which is already here. So this one is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and I already used this today, so that's why it's on my table already. So it has a mirror. It's really compact, and I love that it's really, sturdy packaging. The palette is really nice. It is composed of 6 colors. You have the contour, the highlighter, brightener, and the blush, and the finishing powder, which is the complete set for the whole face. Or maybe you forgot to bring an eyeshadow with you, so you could be more creative and put it into your eyes, or to help you put some more colors into your face. So the value of this one is $45, and I believe this has just been launched this year. So very nice Cover FX. The next one is the Deborah Lippmann, and you have 2 mini-sized nail polishes in here. In this information, it says the Deborah Lippmann is $20, and the shades are O'Donna and Modern Love. You have two mini-sized nail colors, and I'm not sure if I'm going to pay $20 for this, but it's still Deborah Lippmann. And although this is my first time to be able to try this, let's see kung maganda siya. So next item is the Becca lipstick. So this is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love Rouge Leva Amour Old Time, and it's in the shade Burgundy. So let's go ahead and open this one. Wow, did you hear that? Again, it pops. So the color is in burgundy, which is my favorite shade. So the next item is the iconic London eyebrow cushion, and it says that it's made in London, and when you open it, it's still wrapped with a plastic, and this is in shade medium. I already opened the cushion, so it is light shade and medium, and it has the spoolie and the brush, the basic brush that you need for getting your eyebrows on fleek. So this retails for $40. Guys, are you gonna pay for $40 for this one? Give me your opinion. You can give me your comment. But I'm loving the Anastasia Brow Wiz. That's my favorite. So the next item in here is the Moda Duo Brush. So this is the powder and soft glow. So since I already opened it before, so I already removed the plastic wrap, and the brushes are really soft, and this is the powder brush, and this is the angled highlighter brush. So this is, I think, the way you use it, and this is for the powder brush. And then the next item is, oh, by the way, before I forget, the price of this one is $29.99. So the next item is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and this retails for $34. The smell is, it smells like there's an alcohol in it, but let me see. It's formulated without parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and this is vegan. Made in Korea, huh? That's made in Korea. So I'll try this one. So the next item is this Lily Lashes. So this is the limited edition Lashes Fall Mink, and this retails for $24.99. For me, I have never tried this kind of lashes before because it's so thick and I'm not used to it. And they say that you could use it for up to 20 wears, which is, it's up to you how you handle cleaning it, so you could reuse it. Make sure you use it pretty clean. The Morphe 15D Day Slayer. So this is a mirrored palette of crazy, creamy, powerfully pigmented, beyond blendable matte and shimmer eyeshadows for day and night. So this amounts for $16. So this is the palette, and it has a mirror. Usually the Morphe doesn't have a mirror in it, but it's great that they have this. So whenever you're traveling, you can bring it with you, and you have a pretty decent sized mirror that you could use. I think I could just sell this one. And then the next item is, that's it. So all in all, when I computed everything in this box is worth $301. $300 less $50 value, you saved $250 in approximate. So that's it. So we can put it back. Everything fits in this train case. So yeah, I love this month's Boxyluxe. And if you can, if you are in the US, you can try this one. Or guys, if you are in the Philippines, you can reach out to me if you want some of these items, so I could you know, do transactions with you. If you want some of these But personally, I will be trying on this Deborah Lipman, and of course I already used this one and I'm planning to use this one. So if you want to buy the Morphe Day Slayer or the Moda brush, which I told you that I already have a lot of brushes, and you can also maybe just try this. I am not really thinking of any future events that I could use this for. And this one, I already opened it, so yeah, I'll just use this. And then what else? This one, I'll still use this and give it another try because I know this is a $48 amount of a moisturizer, and I still believe that It Cosmetics is a wonderful company. And the Iconic, I'm using it. Also follow me on my Instagram account and my Facebook as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!